In front of me is REALME C71 and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading new app you wish to set up as your default one. I will go with Chrome browser. When your app is ready, exit Play Store and go into Devices Settings. Then scroll down, hit Apps, select Default App here, and tap on one of those sections you wish to manage. In my case, Browser app. Now click on an app you wish to apply, and when you're ready, go back. As you can see, after that, my default app has changed. If you want to, you can also scroll all the way down and click Opening Links at the bottom. Then enable or disable this option by clicking on the switcher. And even tap on one of your apps to click on the switcher here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!